We have three Group Cs. Porsche driving this one, but we're still breaking in the tires. My tires are oblong. Need to run maybe an hour to get it very round and have some grip. The others are relatively broken in. We have zero pace, but it's fun to run it on carpet. This one has a very good grip. It's like a touring car. This one, the Porsche 959. Grip level is important. New tires have no grip. So our hobby shop sold, our local hobby shop mentioned they sold 50 units of 956 in less than a week. But so far I've only seen 3 or 4 at the track. And hopefully we see them all soon. Hindi, ngayon pa lang pala nag-on. Group C versus Rally. Rear wheel versus the XV02. This looks fun on carpet. Rally. The body roll versus the no body roll. Right now they're kinda evenly matched. This is still running very slow for me because of the tires, not enough grip. This is our first day. This was the birthday gift of Porsche to me. She secretly bought it with her own money. Because she actually wants to play it. So today what I'm trying to get her to learn is braking technique. Because of rear wheel drive, you can really exceed the limit, and to get fast corner speed with this car, sometimes the braking skill has to be very good. There's also a technique. So it's good practice for her. And it's a cheap car to practice with. Touring cars are expensive. You know, you have to buy a lot of parts to maintain in touring cars. This one is just basically you just buy tires. Yeah, it requires a lot of driving skill if you want to go very fast on the limit. Alright, so here we are with the rally car. Group C versus rally. Body roll versus stiff. So I think the Porsche is still cheaper than the XV02. Alright. Okay. Time to have dinner. See you guys. It's night time. Around 6 p.m.